Hello, and today I'm at Birkenhead Hamilton Square, located on the Merseyrail network. So today you'll be seeing services operated by Merseyrail, and probably will be the last chance I get to see all these beautiful Beppy and Muse, the 507s, the 508s, which will be very fun indeed. So let's see what Birkenhead Hamilton Square has to offer, shall we? Right, arriving in now is the 0951 Merseyrail service to Liverpool Central. We'll probably be not going to Liverpool Central, but going all the way round. I'll get more information on this. I'm just trying to connect to Merseyrail's absolutely terrible Wi-Fi. (508-120) brings this one in. This is a 6 car, so there's another one at the rear. Catch the rear as it goes out. And off it goes. Going very slowly to start out. Very slowly. With 508-137 at the rear, its next stop being Liverpool James Street. Yes, Merseyrail, one of the UK's, or it is the UK's most punctual operator, and I'm seeing very good so far. Train's only delayed by 1 minute or so in contrast to Transport for Wales yesterday. That was a bit strange, but anyway, let's see what else turns up here. Taking me by surprise, got another 3-car 507 arriving in. (507-024). I assume this one is from New Brighton because it's 3-car. But I don't know this network very well. Right, departing out now is the service bound for, I assume, New Brighton. The captions will tell you otherwise. Got a nice arcing from the collector shoes just down there. Arriving in LCO 958, Merseyrail service to West Kirby. Next up being at Conway Park. It's good that it reminds me a lot of the Tube actually. So I've got all these markers that tell you where all the trains are. Alright, arriving in now is the 1000 Merseyrail service to Chester. This is a return of 507-033. Very lovely. Very nice.
This is a customer announcement. In crowded spaces, wear a face covering.
Right now I've got the 10:03 Merseyrail service. Which 507021 leads in, specifically not saying where it's going, because I have absolutely no idea. Right, off goes 507021 on the 10:03 service. I was also shortly arriving in. It should be the 10:05 Merseyrail service to Ellesmere Port. Sound of the 507s, they may be old, but the sound doesn't get old, does it? Absolutely not. And actually we've got yet another Merseyrail service arriving on this side. Easy on the brakes there, 508123. My word, that train's in a right state, look at that. 508123, again with the face coverings at the end of the train. Here comes the delayed 10:05 Ellesmere Port on the destination board, or on the departure board up there. It's just said it's arrived. I can see the headlights reflecting off the train. You might be able to as well. Here it comes, 508120 again. Catch us on when it goes out. Off it goes, bound for Ellesmere Port. Five 508137 bringing up the rear, so they were bound for Ellesmere Port. You may have seen them earlier. Head on to platform 3 now because we've got New Brighton service arriving in. Here it comes, 10:09 to New Brighton. Yes, for those of you that don't know, I should have probably classified this earlier. Well, clarified this earlier. I can't even get my vocabulary out. Services go in a loop from one destination to another, or from the same destination, finishing at the same destination. So, for example, there'll be services going from Chester to Chester, West Kirby to West Kirby, New Brighton to New Brighton, etc. So that's a good way of telling where all the trains are going. If you know where they're from, you know where they're going to. If you know where they're going to, you know where they're going from. So it's a pretty useful system you got here. It's a bit of a delayed track, but with Merseyrail that doesn't seem to be the case, does it? You're doing really well. Right, arriving in now, we have the 10:14 Merseyrail service to Liverpool Central. I assume this one is from Chester. 507014. Very nice. It's just a beautiful roof. We are in quite a deep tunnel here, I think, because that tunnel down there takes you right underneath towards Liverpool. Catch the swarm when it goes out. Starting out now is the 10:14 service. Next stop, Liverpool James Street. And as that, I'm going to head to my platform now. Right, arriving in now is going to be the final train of the day, the 10:17 to West Kirby, which will take me to Bidston. So as this one arrives in, I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you've enjoyed. If you did, then do click the like button. Do make sure to click subscribe as well. 507. Get the reservation. See you next time, everyone.